Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you grade an assessment that is open-ended. With the open-ended assessment, if you're using the bubble sheet rubric, the students don't do anything on the bubble sheet. All the students do is write their responses down on a piece of paper or type it in whatever platform that you've given them. Once you have the responses from the student, it is the teacher who grades using the bubble sheet. So what you do, once the assessment has been added to your tracker, you go to that assessment and you hover over the title of that assessment, and you're going to go down to where it says Performance Grader. Performance Grader is what you use to grade any assessment that is open-ended. So Performance Grader shows you all your students on the left-hand screen. So if you just click on the name, you see different student names. And then on the right-hand side, it gives you the rubric. So you would read the questions, and if you believe the student got full points, you give them. Remember that A was 4 points. B is going to be 3 points. So question 2, they left something off according to the rubric that I gave. I'm going to do 3. And if you wanted to, what you could do, if you could upload your rubric here of how you want to grade, and that makes it easy for you so you don't have to look multiple places. So if you uploaded a rubric, it would show here. But in my example, I didn't upload any document. But if you did, it would show right here. So question 3, let's say they got perfect score on that. Question 4, they answered it completely wrong, or they didn't do it. I'm going to select E for 0 points. Question 5, they did answer, but it was extremely incorrect. So I'm going to give them D for 1 point. So once I do that, I press submit for that student. And then that student got only 12 points. 12 out of 20 is going to be yellow for near mastery. And then I go and click on my next student, and I do the same thing. This student's paper was excellent, so I'm just going to go down. All their responses were perfect, and I'm going to give them full points for each response. When I press submit, it shows me they got 20 out of 20 points, and they have green for that standard. And you just keep going till you get to each student. So that's how you use Performance Grader to grade any kind of open-ended assessment.